clarify the order of which elves you eat. First you eat Fast Eddie, because he's fast. You have to make a point, because you're a horror movie monster eating tiny cookie people. And then next you eat Elwood, because you have to show Ernie who's boss, you know, because this is his company. He has built it from the ground up through tradition, and you have to. Elwood is definitely, by being the youngest elf, he is the successor. And then you eat Ernie, because he's old and he's just suffered a defeat because a giant human monster has attacked his Keebler Elf Cookie Man tree. And finally, you save the best for last. You eat Buckets. I've just had this weird predisposed hatred of Buckets, the Keebler Elf, ever since I first opened E.L. Fudges. I think it's because, well, he looks ugly too. He's like a fat elf. I mean, they should be trimmed. They should be working all the time. I'm thinking Buckets is stealing from the vats of cookie goodness. And no, but also his name doesn't start with an E. It's awful. Ernie, Elwood, Eddie, and then Buckets. It doesn't make sense to me. So I save Buckets for last, and I relish chewing his dumb head off. And I honestly. It's not just because they're shaped like people that I like them, but it really helps. If they were just shaped like cookies, I probably wouldn't like E.L. Fudges that much, but I get some sort of sick pleasure from it. Final step of this process.